lunches for co-op. Look at this hair. I look like the Jedi with the white hair. I need to clean up because he'll be home tonight. I would like the house to look nice, feel clean, feel fresh. Plus, also, we'll be gone the majority of the day tomorrow till like 2 or 3. So, yeah, I want everything to look nice. Anyway, I need to put up this mop. I need to do a lot. I need to do a lot is the moral of the story. Lunchbox for me and Josh. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I didn't realize there was stuff still in here. Lassie has his little, yes, has a little baby shark. Yeah, I need to put these somewhere. Yeah. Mama's packing your lunch. And Bubby.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay, so both boys will take a yogurt.
Oh, wow.
They both have an Honest Kids Organic Super Fruit Punch Juice. Watch out. They'll both take, yeah. What? We'll both get a cheese stick. You're the best. Ice cream's the best. I'll pack them both some little gummies.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, what?
I hear my towel cleaned out.
You did. Got a vitamin water for me.
I love Husker so much.
Both boys will get a fruit pouch. Here we go. I think we're getting started.
Is that guy talking?
Yeah, he's going to tell us what the race is. There we go. No, I don't want to drop this. You're not getting my phone. I have the absolute worst kitchen to try to film in. There's just like no space far enough back from the counter to make up for what you need. All right, so I actually went ahead and grabbed these two. It's like this really cute garland of bunnies I'm gonna put back for Easter. And then I grabbed this for Easter for the bathroom, a little hand soap. And then I went ahead and grabbed this for St. Patrick's Day. I'll end up putting it like in the middle of the table and then put that pedestal right here. And then I picked some of these up. We're going to use those for school at some point. Picked up some gold coins from the $1.25 store. Also could use those for school for math or counting or whatever. And then I grabbed some of these I'm going to use to decorate. And then I got these flowers with the gold coins, so I'll use those for decoration. So all that's going to go downstairs along with the rest of these flower petals. Okay, so now I need to do, which I actually have more. Let's go downstairs and do that because actually there's more stuff downstairs. Do you ever feel overly stimulated so much that your eyes burn? That's how I feel today. I don't know why. That's how I currently feel. I feel very stressed and my eyes are burning. Anyway, let's go ahead and set up the boys' stuff. I brought, I don't want to get up again. The stuff can go over there now. Alright, so I got them both. These bags. Okay, I got them each a new puppet. Definitely cheaper than the ones I bought at Jungle Gyms, I can tell you that much. Bought these for school because there's a lot of stuff on Teachers Pay Teachers where like you roll and cover or you roll and color. Well, I didn't have any dice, so I picked up some of these. So that's for school. Got them each one of these. So Wesley will get the race car and Steven will get the dump truck. Okay, I picked this up for $1. I don't know if this is going to be any good, but if you've watched any if you've watched any of my recent videos, I've been using that domed brush from e.l.f. and I've really been enjoying it for my foundation. Well, I found this for $1 at the dollar store. This is it said contour, but I'm going to try it for concealer. It might be, I see why it'd be good for contour though. It's super soft, so it may work for concealer, but it was $1, so $1. Oh, excuse me, $1.25. Got them each one of these. So I'm actually going to put these on the table and then put their presents on top of them. Got them each one of these from Walmart. So got this one for Wes. And then got this one for Steven. Okay, got this for Wes. Got this I'm going to share between them. So we'll do XO and the hearts for one, heart, lips, and the arrow for the other. So we'll do 2 for him, 2 for him. Then I also bought a new Cocoa Melon game, but it's upstairs. I forgot it. It's like the Hi-Ho Cheerios or whatever, where you color sort. So that's gonna go for Steven. And then I'm gonna give them each a sucker, and that will be their Valentine.